Okay, let's clone the repo and pull down the actual workspace that we're going to be doing the course in. The course is at AI-hero-dev cohort 003 project. I will add a link below. You can clone it to your local setup by pressing code here, by copy and pasting this clone button here, so cloning the web URL. And once that's done, the code will be in your local file system. Again, I'll have a command for that below if you need it. Next, you will need to download Node.js in order to complete the exercises. You can go to the link below. You can choose your version, either the 22 version or the 24 version will be fine. You can follow the instructions here, making sure you select the right platform, making sure you select the right setup, and you should be good to go. Once that's done, you should be able to open your project in VS Code or in your terminal, and you should be able to run node-v here and see some kind of version printed back to you. Once you've done this, you can then run corepack enable here. And what this does is it installs the package manager we're going to be using for the repository. The package manager is pnpm and it's very, very good. And the setup really is as simple as that. You can just run corepack enable and then you can run pm commands like this, pnpm-v, and it should work. Hello, Edit Matt here with something I forgot to say in the first version of this video, which is that once you've installed pnpm via corepack enable and you're ready to run the dev server and see what's happening, you first need to run pnpm install. When you run this, it will install all of the packages, pulling them down from the npm registry and getting them in your node modules ready for you to run. So once that's done, you can carry on with the next bit. Once that's done, you should be able to crack on and do pnpm dev to run the dev server. This will run a development server on localhost 5173, or in my case 5175. If I run this, I can see, oh no, something went wrong, no such table courses. The reason this is happening is I've not set up my database yet. So if I go back to this terminal and I press Ctrl-C, and now I can run a new command, and I'm going to run pnpm db:/seed. If we look in the package.json of the repository, we can see that there is a db seed command mentioned in scripts here, and this will seed our database with some dummy data so that we can see a proper working application. So I ran that, we've created the tables, it created 9 users, 1 admin, 2 instructors, and 6 students. It created some courses, some quizzes, some enrollments, etc. And now if I go down to the bottom and I run pnpm dev again, then we should be able to see, if we go on localhost 5175, that we now see a beautiful working course platform. We're not going to explore this too thoroughly because one of the exercises in the course is using LLMs or using Claude Code to explore code bases. So let's not use our human eyes too much, let's let the robots do it. Finally, if you've not already done this, then you should head to the Claude Code docs, which I'll link below, and you should install Claude Code. Once you've done that, then you should be able to cancel out of the dev server here. We can run Claude inside here, and it should open up Claude Code. From here, you may need to log in with your Anthropic subscription or your API key. I definitely recommend using a subscription instead of an API key because it always works out cheaper. But from there, once you can run the dev server and run Claude, then you're good to go in the repo. If you have any setup questions or any weirdnesses, then head to the Discord and I will help you out. Nice work, and I will see you in the next one.